response. So I will convene a meeting of the party and see what needs to be done. Those are the issues and problems which have been facing not only by UDP but for the entire state. But how to address those issues, that has to be looked into. That's all from my side. As of now, I have nothing to say unless I, meet all of them and see what exactly, how exactly. I've not met them, so because of my, you know, trip to Delhi, so I could not be with them. Nothing more to say on that. That's it. I will call a meeting because some MLAs are not here. Some are out of station. Some are gone to Chennai. Some are gone to Delhi. So some are in their own constituencies. So today, in fact, I want to call, but most of them they are not here. There's no problem about this. But however, at their own thing, they can express whatever they feel. No, but signed by not by me as a president. No, it's not signed by me as president. Anybody can sign. So, till we meet, then